am extremely happy with this rolling tree bag.
Check in the text below and I'll provide a link where you can also buy this product or similar.
The Zober heavy duty rolling tree bag is supposed to hold or fit up to 9-foot trees. The dimensions are 59 inches times 24.5 times 21.75. I ordered the red one. The green one was about $5 more. It is supposed to protect your tree from dust, insects, and moisture. It has an Oxford material that's supposed to be water resistant, handles on both sides and on top, transparent card for labeling, and a 2-way dual zipper. It also has little wheels on it. It's supposed to be on a wooden frame, which is one reason why I purchased this one. Comes with a use and care guide, consumer safety, packing instructions, shows you how to make sure you fully disassemble your tree. Place the largest section in the bag first. Do not place the metal stems outward against the bag because it can puncture your bag. Then put the next largest size inside. Make sure you put the pointy ends towards each other. Continue that process until it's fully stacked. So I researched a little bit. I got this one because it has zippers that pull both ways. It has a really nice thick material. It has 2 handles. They're fully adjustable. There's one. There's the other one. It expands up like it says. Has a handle. Has a handle on the bottom. This one also has interior straps, which I thought would help with added security. This one also has wheels that are mounted to a wooden piece down in here. So I thought that would make it a little more stable. Handle on that in as well. The wooden platform is bolted in and it extends far down. So it looks pretty sturdy to me. I speeded that segment up, but it literally took 4 minutes and 17 seconds to get this tree in this bag. That was the first time. Amazing. Wheels work. Color me happy. I am extremely happy with this rolling tree bag. Remember to check the text below and look in the comments below for information on how you can get one of these. I love solving problems. Bye.